the autumn mix favorite. Love it or hate it. I know people have strong opinions about candy corns. I don't care. I will have it in my home. That's the kind of home that I will run. Hey y'all, it's Megan, and today I am going to share with you a shopping haul for some fall and new home items that I picked up. Today I went to HomeGoods, Michael's, and Target and did a little perusing. I had a list of things I needed to get for my new home, and also of course I had to go through all the seasonal stuff, so I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, first up from HomeGoods, I bought the most stuff from there. My friend Kristen was super generous. It gave me a really nice gift card for there. I'm usually not a HomeGoods shopper, and honestly I didn't love the stuff that they had for Halloween. It just wasn't super my style, so I opted for more like home good stuff. So let me show you what I got. Jupiter's checking everything out. The first thing I picked up is a Bluetooth speaker, and it's really cute. It's got kind of like a terrazzo pattern on the bottom, and it just like looks really stylish, especially so I can play music in the shower or in the kitchen or around the house. I picked up this wooden cutting board with like a brass handle at the top so I could hang it or easily grab it, and it can be used for a serving board as well. It's super pretty. It was $15. Next up, I had to get two things for my pup, Jupiter. He's right there. He's never seen snow before, so I really wanted to make sure I got him some good stuff to keep him toasty when the winter comes. So I got him a cute gray sweater. It'll probably be a little big on him, but whatever. It was $15, and then I also got him a like puffer coat for actually going outdoors. I feel like this will be more of an inside thing, but I really want to make sure that he has something to keep him warm, and this was also $15, so good buys. Hey bud. I grabbed this pitcher. It's just like a real classic old school pitcher. They didn't have much in the way of pitchers. I know I just said the word pitcher like 50 times, but otherwise I would have opted to get something kind of more modern, but this is like totally fine and kind of a classic look. But I've been dying for sweet tea because sweet tea is not a thing in the north. I don't know why. It's delicious, but now I have a pitcher so I can make my own. I also picked up this 2-pack of knives for cooking and stuff. The knives that are here are really dull, so I wanted to pick up some nice fresh ones. And then the last thing I got from HomeGoods is a super soft blanket. Boom, look at this. Look at this beauty. I think I need to name it. I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet. If you have a suggestion, pronunciate Megan. If you have a suggestion, leave it in the comments. What should I call this guy or gal? So soft, but I know that winter is coming, so I want to make sure I have plenty of blankets to really like swaddle myself. And it was $25, so that was the last thing I got from HomeGoods. Okay, after HomeGoods, I went to Michael's and I got a couple of things for fall and also for my Halloween costume. So first, the fall things. I just picked up 2 of these like eucalyptus picks. They kind of have like a bluish, almost like a blush kind of hue to them, and I thought they'd be really pretty just like in a nice vase. And they don't even read like super fall to me, so I think that I could totally get away with having these year round, but I thought that they were really pretty. And they were $12.99, but they were half off, so $6.50 each. And then everything else I got at Michael's is to play around with for my Halloween costume. I'm going to show you guys some inspiration, but I really want to do like a cool kind of dark witch vibe. Normally, obviously, I'm a very colorful, bright, and happy person, so Halloween is the time where I can really embrace that kind of like dark, sexy side that I don't portray in my day-to-day life. But I'll show you some inspiration. So I really love, let's see if it'll focus. There we go. I love the like celestial headband and like the starry dress and like the dark eye makeup and like the gems and stuff. So I bought some stuff to try and make a headpiece for myself, as well as, I don't know, I've got some ideas. So I'll just show you what I got. Okay, so I picked up some sequiny gold cardstock to maybe do like some like little stars for the headpiece. Again, I kind of told the girl when I was checking out, I'm just buying a little bit of stuff and seeing what sticks. I don't really have a firm action plan yet, but when I make it, I'll be sure to take you along on the process. Okay, more headpiece making items. I just picked up some wire to kind of manipulate and play with, some golden beads. Oh my gosh, I have a new camera and now I get to finally be like the beauty bloggers. There they are. So they're not like super bright gold, but they'll be fun. Ooh, now I'm in focus again. I bought this really cool like lava rock piece. I think you could take this apart and turn it into like whatever you want, but I thought it would be cool either for a headpiece or for a necklace. So we'll play with that. And then the last couple of things I got some black rhinestones and also some sticky rhinestones to do like face makeup, maybe like corners of the eyes, or kind of replicate the look from the inspiration pictures. I've attached gems with eyelash glue before, so hopefully that works. And the last thing I got, which I have an idea for, and I really hope it works, is I found this black sequin fabric in the clearance section. It was $3.97 down from $10, and my hope is that I can cut stars out of this and attach the stars to this blouse that I got that is like sheer black long sleeve, and then maybe put like a really pretty like bralette or something underneath it to replicate that starry dress, because I'm not gonna buy that starry dress because it's expensive for a Halloween costume, but I'm hoping that with some fabric glue and some patience, I can replicate it on my own. So we'll see. Okay, last step, I'm gonna run you through the Halloween autumn things that I got at Target. So keeping with the Halloween costume build out, I got a couple of things for Halloween costume at Target as well. The first thing being this really pretty matte lipstick. It is by Maybelline, and I've used this type of lipstick before in a different color, so I know that it works. It's in the color Escapist, and it's like a dark plum. I'm hoping it looks good on me. I never wear dark lipstick, but we'll see. Oh my gosh, I feel like such a beauty blogger today. Look at that. Anyways, whatever, you don't care about that. I also picked up some black headbands. They're just like real basic 2-in-a-pack headbands to work with my headpiece that I want to make. Nothing fancy, but this one might be my favorite thing. I have almost always natural nails. As a florist, I very rarely get manicures or anything because I'm just gonna mess up my nails anyways, but I found these fake nails that have like some studs. Focus, damn it. Can you see that? Ooh, there's like an ombre and like a nude and a black, and there's like some rhinestones on it. Totally nothing I would ever normally get like on my real nails, but for Halloween it seemed super cool and funky and fun, and I guess I need to practice my confidence for pulling it off, because it's all about the attitude, right? Like, it doesn't matter, it's just all about the confidence. Okay, last couple of things, just some general fall fun. I picked up a different, or a kind of really pretty autumn shade of nail polish from Essie. It is in the shade Mrs. Always Right. That's cute. But I don't really paint my nails a lot. I have like one white kind of creamy shade, but I wanted to get this because I have a lot of fall activities planned, so might as well complete the look. I'm also on the hunt for like a pumpkin-y spice shade of nail polish. It's on my list. And super exciting, I picked up the cookies with the cute little pumpkin shape inside. I know that these are super popular, but I really want to have like a cozy night in and play some Harry Potter and have like some hot apple cider and make cookies and just like get my new blanket, whatever his name is going to be, and have a really fun fall night. So these will be on the agenda soon. And then it's not fall, like it's literally not fall until I have candy corn in the house. So I got the autumn mix, favorite, love it or hate it. I know people have strong opinions about candy corns. I don't care. I will have it in my home. That's the kind of home that I will run. And then I also picked up this caramel apple one. It's that same kind of texture, but I've never tried this before. So let me know if you have. I don't see why it wouldn't be delicious, but yeah. So that is the end of my fall / new apartment shopping haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. I'm really trying hard to not accumulate a lot of stuff right away, so shopping hauls probably aren't going to be something that I do on the reg on this channel. Even when I was at Michael's, I didn't buy any Halloween decor or anything. I didn't see anything that I felt like I needed, but I am excited for the things I do have planned. So I would love it if you subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. If you want to follow me on Instagram for more day in the life, behind the scenes fun stuff, my name is @colorfulmegan, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.